back to another video. So we have a new bike, Husqvarna, or 2000, sorry about that, it's Case. He's just starting his bike for some reason. Yeah, so 2017 Husqvarna TC85, and with half an hour on it. I think I'll tell a scoop on it on the next riding video, which is the last riding video of this bike. Sorry about it. It's a good bike for beginners. 2018 Honda CRF 125. It doesn't really matter what year model it is, but yeah, he's just got soaked. So yeah, good bike. Now let's get back to the new bike. 2-stroke, 4-stroke. I'll start this one first. 4-stroke. Has electric start. And do this. And I'll start my bike. Or the new bike. Yes, we do still have the Honda. I'm going to start this real quick. This bike's idle. Has a lower sound than 4-stroke. You guys probably already knew that. And so there's the 2-stroke. It's a good bike. I've only rode it 30 minutes, so don't know much about it. Because what had happened is, so I was riding, I ran out of gas because I didn't put that much gas in it. Whenever we bought it, turn off the gas. And if you do get a 2-stroke, make sure and always turn off the gas whenever you ride it. After you ride it, you may already do that 4-stroke, or you may already have a 2-stroke. But last night we put the WP stickers on it, or decals. They're on the KTM 350 over there, and they're actually textured. I know it sounds crazy, but the decal is so thick. It's thick enough where it ends up to be protection from your shocks. So,
are you going to get bark busters on it?
Yes, we'll get bark busters on it, which are on those, if you're wondering what those are. See, that doesn't have those covers, that does. And so, here's the new bike, and I hope you liked the video. More to come on this bike, and see you guys on the next one.